Yeah, the governor continued to plead with Utahns to follow health guidelines, practicing essential physical distancing, that's staying 6 feet apart from others at a minimum, wearing face masks, good hygiene. But he was clearly alarmed and sounded a little frustrated today as he addressed the spike in cases that we've seen, particularly in Utah County. Now, that is where health officials say off-campus parties have contributed to the surge in cases. Now, the state reported a new outbreak among 15 to 24-year-olds centered in Utah County, and it spreads from there to all age categories. The state is now bracing for increased hospitalizations and deaths. The governor was particularly critical of those who he says are defiantly disregarding health guidelines.
That causes me some alarm. I'm alarmed by people who ignore health guidelines and those who are out there promoting social gatherings almost in defiant of the recommendations by our best minds in science and medicine that say, you know, social distancing is an important aspect of how we slow the spread and how we maintain, you know, our economy to stay open. Our medical advice and the direction we get from science and data would indicate to us there are certain protocols we should follow. We all know them. We can probably all recite, you know, wear a mask, social distancing, good hygiene, wash your hands, don't go to work when you're sick. Mostly all common sense things, but we have people who are just ignoring them almost defiantly. I'm alarmed because people seem to indicate they don't believe in the science.
So what's he going to do about it? Well, the governor says that he certainly wants local leaders to step up and address the situations that are happening in their communities. He called out the Utah County Commission, but the governor also warned that the state could do things as well. He will be meeting with his COVID-19 Unified Command over the coming days, as well as his advisors, and he did not rule out the potential for a statewide mask mandate or further restrictions, possibly going back to orange in some areas on the COVID-19 restrictions levels that the state has. Those things, he says, never left the table. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.